What is up, guys? It's Luke W. coming back at you with my grandma today. We're going to be talking a little bit about, is college necessary in this day and age? It's 2018. My grandma's got some years on us all, I'm pretty sure. So, more, can you tell us, back in the day, what was college? Was it easy to get a job after college? Was it necessary to become successful? How was it back then?
It wasn't necessary, but you were assured you were going to get a job in your field when you did graduate from college.
Okay, yeah, because right now you're seeing me do this Amazon thing. What do you think of what I'm doing right now?
Well, I think we're very proud of you because you're a terrific speaker and salesperson, and you've put in a lot of hours researching all the information on Amazon.
So, is it valuable for me with the degree I have to go to college, or should I do something like this? What do you see is better in this compared to me going
Luke,
to...
you've always been able to get up in front of the class and give good book reports. You never got nervous, and I think you're just sort of a natural-born speaker and salesperson.
But what does that have to
Well,
do with
but
anything
you
about...
have. Well, just a minute. You have. You really blossomed at college. I have to say that.
So should I go back to college, or should I do what I'm doing?
Well, no, you have to do what you're doing
Why?
because you're very successful at it.
But I could be making more money if I went to my job and had a stable income.
No, you couldn't.
Why?
Because you're doing so well on Amazon, Jungle Scout, YouTube, and I think probably somebody will pick you up as a promotional speaker.
Okay, that's what you're thinking. I was trying to dive more into, is college necessary in this day and age? And I would say,
I think that it's a good idea to get into, if you want to make a lot of YouTube videos, I would join a Toastmasters club.
Toastmasters.
Toastmasters, you have to get up and speak and get, you have to be very comfortable speaking before an audience.
Okay, what I was trying to say is the internet is what has taken away the future of today, because back in your day, there wasn't an internet, there wasn't a way to go connect with the world. Now we have the opportunity to use and abuse the internet and drop as much content as we can. We need to try and be celebrities in our space. And when anyone thinks of the whatever subject you're trying to go for, they better be thinking of your name in it. And you want to be the go-to person everyone else is looking at when they're thinking of that subject. So
that's right. And also, it's worldwide now that they call you from Germany and France and all over the world.
Yeah, so back in your day, what has changed from then till now?
Well, of course, we have all this new technology, iPhones, internet. There's no comparison between my day.
Are you trying to sell on Amazon?
I would love to if I had the time.
Wow. Well,
maybe I will find a few hours if you'll help me.
Okay, yeah. Well, I wanted to see, is there anything else you want to tell everyone else? Should they get started, or what should they do? What should they do? If they don't want to be on camera, they don't want to be a speaker.
If you don't want to be on camera, then find your product and research it and get it ordered from Alibaba right into the Amazon. And then you're going to have to do a little work with
creating your listing, advertising, building a brand,
and photography, all that.
Yeah, so it's not really too hard. I just started this.
It's not too hard, and once you do it a few times, it becomes easier and easier.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Well, I just wanted to bring Mrs. Grandma here on the cam with us today. We just had a little dinner. What was today, Mama?
Corned beef and cabbage.
What was the day of today?
St. Patrick's Day.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to bring you guys more content. I'm going to get more serious here in a bit, but just had to show Grandma off because she's cool. And they got their little new car here, and she's all happy about her new whip. So say bye to everyone one more.
Bye-bye and good luck. You can do it if you put the work into it.
That's right. All right, guys. Peace out. Tell them peace out.
Peace out.